Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh, and today I wanted to show you this SDX 230. Come on inside and I'll show you around. Welcome in. Here we are on the SDX 230. This is a 2026 model. I was going to show you some of the flexibility in the seating on this boat. You've got flip-up bolster for the passenger. You've also got flip-forward seating, so you can make this a great lounging seating area or facing backwards for your sports going on behind you. On this side of the boat, same thing. We've got a flip-up bolster for the driver, which is really cool. Helps you when you're docking. And similar flip-forward bolster so you can have more space at the back. And then this is really cool too. On the lounge here at the back, you can recline that so you can lay out, get in and out of the boat a lot easier. In keeping with the flexible theme, another flexible item on this boat is you've got a big storage area behind the helm here. It's also a head. That gives you a lot of flexibility with your time on the water. Flexible and fun, come see the Sea Ray SDX 230.